To be a good note taker, participate in class discussions. It will keep you more alert, which translates to better listening and note taking. Don't write down everything. Record important points and then add supporting details below. To record information faster, use abbreviations. However, make sure you use notations that you will understand later when rereading them. Think of it this way. If you don't take any notes, you will only have the textbook to study when preparing for a test. However, if you take good notes, you will have a textbook and detailed study guide that is customized to your learning needs. There are numerous methods for taking notes for a class. Your goal should be to find the note-taking strategy that works best for you. Remember that you may have to adapt your note-taking style to each course, each teaching style, and each learning style strength. For example, outlining may work well in a history course in which the instructor writes key terms on the board and organizes her lecture around the key ideas. If your professor prefers unstructured discussion, you will need to adapt your note-taking strategy to make the most of the unorganized information. Whatever you choose for the particular course, your learning style, and the specific situation, there are a few tips that you need to remember when taking notes. Listen for the main idea. Leave plenty of white space and review your notes as soon as possible after class. Writing in the margins of your textbook can be another effective way to take notes, especially if the reading assignment is lengthy. If you don't mind writing in your textbook, you can summarize main points that you have read. Writing brief summaries, 2 or 3 word summaries, or questions in the margins will help you make sense of and remember what you have read. Brief, marginal summaries will also help you to review the material before class and after class when you start studying for an exam. Notes are only as good as the extent into which you review them. If you never look at your notes after you take them, they would serve very little purpose. Therefore, to make the most of your notes, you will need to review them. Reviewing should be done within 2 days from the time you took the notes. With this said, it is easy to be lulled into the sense of studying by merely reading over your notes again and again. When reviewing your notes, it is best to reorganize the material, make connections between concepts, even across disciplines, and ask questions about what you are learning.